If you supply forged components for oil and gas, defense, aerospace, nuclear, or railways, your biggest differentiator is not just your press size, it is your ability to prove control. Today, buyers do not only ask, "Can you manufacture this part?" They ask, "Can you document everything that happened to this part, from raw material to final dispatch, and defend it in an audit?" That is what Audit-Ready Traceability means. Traceability is not just having material test certificates. It is a continuous system where every stage is batch-linked, auditable, and reproducible. Buyers usually check 6 major points. First, material receipt, heat number, stock segregation, MTC verification, and inward inspection. This proves raw material mix-ups are controlled. Second, the manufacturing route record, process route sheet, forging steps, operation sign-offs, and accountability. This proves the process actually followed the approved route. Third, heat treatment records, furnace calibration, heat cycle charts, batch linkage, and hardness verification. This proves mechanical properties were controlled, not assumed. Fourth, inspection and NDT records, dimensional reports, UT, MT, PT, acceptance criteria, inspector qualification, and calibration logs. Fifth, machining traceability, re-identification, part marking, and machining records, so traceability does not disappear after finishing. Finally, buyers check the final dispatch dossier, MTC, route sheet, heat treatment results, mechanical tests, NDT reports, dimensional reports, PMI records, release certificate, and NCR or CAPA history when required. Forged-to-finish suppliers win because the process stays under one system, documentation stays consistent, and traceability does not reset at every vendor handoff. In critical forging supply chains, your part must not just ship with quality, it must ship with proof.